What's up, and welcome back to GemPages Tutorials channel. This is Kayla, and today we'll continue the series for product page design with GemPages. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a sales countdown timer for Shopify store that will give your visitors a sense of urgency and help you boost your sales. So you may wonder why this works. Well, one of the most ingrained kinds of psychological persuasion triggers in the human being's mind is a kind of scarcity and urgency trigger. In this video, we'll learn how to design a countdown timer in your product page or any pages of your store with GemPages. And remember to keep watching until the end because I've collected some best countdown timers with cool effects for you to get inspired. Okay, we'll start at a product page I've created here. First, we simply drag and drop a countdown timer from the left sidebar of the editor. Here, I've put it right under the cart button to create urgency and encourage the visitors to click on Buy It Now button or Add to Cart button. First up, I want to combine standard and daily timer into a group, which I'll call normal countdown timers. These are timers that count down to a specific date or time, so no matter who visits your site, the countdown timer is the same. If you have the real deadline for the promotion price of the product, you can choose the standard type and pick out the date. If you want to set the countdown timer to a fixed time of the day, choose the daily type. Fill in the specific time in the day, and it will reset daily. Moving to another marketing tactic, this is designed to create a sense of urgency by giving each visitor to your site their own unique countdown timer, which we called Evergreen. This function resets the timer for each customer relying on their cookies. Here, I will add a text block above the countdown timer to get more visitors' attention. Back to the Settings panel and scroll down to the Text section. In this section, you can customize text color, font style, and size for the number in the countdown timer. Text label section allows you to edit color and size for the text below the number. You can also decide to display the units of time and its label in the basic design for this countdown timer. For more advanced design, just navigate to Design panel and edit sections such as visibility, margin, padding, background, border, shadow, opacity. Now we have created a countdown timer to boost your sales with GemPages. Let me show you some sample countdown timers with cool effects and high converting templates so that you can get inspired and apply to your store design. Okay, done! Now you have successfully added a countdown timer into your Shopify product page. By using Countdown Timer, I hope that it will take your sales to the next level. Just hit subscribe to our channel and the notification bell to get the latest tutorials and tips for your store design with GemPages. Thanks, and see you next time!